Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to start a series in which I will make a game using Python. So this series may contain 10 to 20 videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now open your browser and search Python. The very first link which you will get, which is python.org. Click on that link. You will get an interface like this. Now you have to click on the download option. You will get many options like this. Now I'm just click on the Windows since my PC is Windows. So you can see that there are many versions of Python available. You can download any of them. So the latest version is Python 3.8. You can download that. So your Python will be downloaded. Now open the VS Code and now click on the add folder to add a folder. As you can see that I have already created a folder named Spacewar. So click on the add button. And now as you can see my folder is added. So now I will make a new file and name it as game.py. So .py is the extension used for Python. So and now you have to click on terminal and then new terminal. You will get an interface like this. And now you have to type a command pip install pygame. So this command is used to install Pygame. So now press enter. So it is showing that I have already installed the Pygame. Since I have already installed the Pygame, so that's why it's showing me this message. So if you don't have using VS Code, you can do it by another method. You just simply have to press Win R, and now you will get a prompt like this, and then type cmd. So here you can also type the same command. It's pip install pygame. As you can see, it is also giving the same message. So you can also install Pygame from here also. And now I'm closing this. So now if you want to know more about Pygame, so you can visit this website, which is pygame.org. I will give the link in the description. And now let's write the code. So you have to type import pygame, which is used to import the library module, and then next you have to type pygame.init. This is used to initialize the Pygame. And now I'm taking a variable named as screen, which will display our main game. So write pygame dot display dot set mode. So here you have to write the axes, x and y coordinates, the length and breadth of the screen. So I will take a new variable as background x, which is I will use to set the coordinates of x-axis. And now I will keep its value as 1000, and then you have to do it with the background y, and I will give this value as 600. And now you have to take another variable and name it as run, and I'll set it as true. So and now I'll take a loop and while run, and then while the loop will be true, it will run. And then for event in pygame dot event dot get. So this is used to get all the events which are happening in the Pygame. So let's colon, and then you have to write if event dot type equals to pygame dot quit. If event will be quitting the game, then it will end the loop. Okay, and then I will write the value of run as false, so it will break the loop. and now you have to write pygame.quit, so which will make quit the game. And now you have to come out of the for loop and now print screen.fill, and here you have to give a color code. So here I am taking another variable as black, and you have to type the color black color code, which is 0,0,0, and now you have to write black on the screen.fill. It will fill the screen color with black. And now you have to update the display, so I'm using pygame.display.update. Now let's test it. So it is giving me an error, so let's see why it's giving an error. Let's correct the spelling of mode, and now let's run it again. Hope it works. Yeah, it worked. As you can see, it has given me 1000 by 600 screen of black color. You can also change the color of the background by changing the color code. So let's change it to white, and for white we have color code 255,255,255. It is a color code of white, and now let's run it again. As you can see, it has given me a white screen, so the black color has gone and it gives me a white screen. You can also change it color. So the syntax of this color code is red, green and blue. So 250, first one is for red and second is for green and the third one is for blue. So I will write it as comment in the comment section as red, green and blue. So if you want the whole screen as blue, you just have to make the 0, 255. And now let's run it again. So as you can see, it has given me a blue screen, and now you can also make it as green by making it 255 and making the blue setting as 0. And now let's run it again. So as you can see, it has given me a green screen. Now you can also change this color to red also. So for that red, we have to make red as 255 and make others 0. And now let's run it again. So as you can see, it has given me a red screen. So let's close it, and you can make your own color combination also. Suppose I am taking red as 250 or no 250, I'll give it at 150, and then green as 200 and blue as 175. And now let's run it again. So as you can see, it has given me this type of color. You can make your own color combinations also. So I'm closing this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification for